Look what wifey found. They try to hide it in the women's section. Some men's, but ain't nothing wrong with men. And then you got Halloween dunks in the kid size. Right there. And then lastly, come on now. None of these my size. I gotta, what's that? Gotta go searching. Y'all check what they got here. They got these joints that just came out over here at the Nike Oulet. Check out the fur on that thing. It's crazy. Now, I wish they actually had it in my size, but it's a women's 11.5. With the additional 20% off, oh my God, this is a come up. I just wish they had something for me. Oh well, we'll keep looking. Excuse us. About to check out Uptown Cheapskate. Let's see what's going on. After that. Oh yeah. Some of these. 119. There we go. I gotta actually go to my size. These joints in here, 119.
Stop it. Get some help.
I see your section. Some of these. Some lows. Forces. You see the 12s over there.
They'll fit me, right?
That's fine. Those actually would fit you. White people those forces. You would. The pattern's nice. The pattern's definitely nice on those.
How, Sway?
Some other stuff. Bunnies. Sevens. More sevens. Ooh. Mid joints. Here we go. Oh my gosh. With the horn on it. I could pull it off. Mid joints. These. Bunch of mids. I see some foams. Where'd they go? There we go. Let's try to know about the foams. These joints right here. These bad boys. How much I want for these? 150? That's not bad at all. Some more mids. These do-rag activities. 40 bucks. Hey, this vest low-key hard though. I might just cop that. Ooh. Bro, they got chunkies up there. What? Got some of these bad boys in there. That Nike thing. Polo jumper. So look at that. The details in that's crazy. 160. They only want. So that's not bad.
Drake!
This will probably be a grab. That's fire right there. Thing is crazy. Some Dior joints in it? Yeah. Look at these gems up here hiding though. Look at these bad boys. I feel like I'm the only person in love with these. But these are size 11, and I tried the 11. It's a little too tight, so I need 11.5 in these. Tell me this thing ain't fly though. Peep the shoe wall. Oh my gosh. Alright y'all, so we just came from Uptown Cheapskate. It was not bad. They had some a good selection, a lot of Balenciaga, a bunch of other stuff. Some of the other stuff is pricey though. Some of the stuff is pricey. Some shoes weren't bad, but some stuff was just like, I ain't here to pay that much. Clothing was good price, and they had a 60% off discount on some clearance and 10% off everything else. So also 10% off shoes, which is cool. But I only got a few things, as you see when I selected, and we're gonna go to this next spot. It's across the street. Okay, we got foams here, Spider-Man foams, Jordans chilling, Harmonic, all that. Ooh, somebody done worked these and said, damn.
Damn!
Check these joints out. Other ones on the other side. Okay. Check those out. 140. Some babe in it. Yeah. Ooh, that's not good. Canvas. Yeah. 109. These are in rough shape though.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Bruh, I've been looking for this shirt. It's an XL. I'm dead. I've been looking for this shirt forever. I might have to. Dang it! And I told the wife only get me this shirt when we have a baby. Some camo pants, but not like that. They gotta make sense though. Fire. I have a one knock though. I should probably clean some of these joints. Ultra Boost. Oh, they got the Stussies. Wow. Oh, look at that. $50, huh? Trying to be a supreme pimp.
These are cool. I like these.
Kind of supreme in here. Look at that. I didn't even know that. Hey, why is this so hard though? This is legit my first time holding the Yeezy Gap. You see it? In hand. 120. This thing is so heavy, it's making my arm hurt. Wow. Yeah, I couldn't. Shout out to y'all though. So we just got done with 2nd Street. It was decent. Had a lot of streetwear, a lot of Supreme, Bape, Jordans, a bunch of stuff in there. A lot of the shoes are really dirty. Like really, really dirty. I would probably clean those before I display them and ask for a top dollar. But clothing was dope. So a lot of good clothing there, a lot of good streetwear. But yeah, that was my only knock. What's up, y'all? So, you know we gotta go to Old Faithful and see what's cracking. I think we're confused on holidays, but it is what it is. Remember when these are popping? You said it's what? Pink tag? Ooh. Pink tags today. No. I guess there used to be some Converse in here. That's a New Balance. If you need your wheelchair, come on down. Saudex. Amazon joints. Ooh. For the classic folks. Got some Hirachis. See, Hirachis are everywhere. My color though. A 90s sweater, crazy. My only thing is this a little much orange. That's my only thing. Is that a little too much? Dang, you remember when that's all we can find was polo? Not bad. I don't know why I messed with this polo so heavy right now. Gotta see. Alright, y'all, so I believe I did. Is it that long? Maybe not, I don't know. Hybrid vehicles. So wifey found this strange sneaker store in this strange area, so we're gonna go check it out. When I mean strange, I don't mean it's creepy, but this is showroom LA. Bro, I messed with this sweater heavy. 54. So I kind of want to try this on. It's the olive joint. Ooh, maybe next. What do we got here? These wheat joints. Yo. Got some KDs. Some Joel Air Forces. Some other Forces in there. A lot of Forces in there. A lot of running shoes. I swear to be LeBrons everywhere. Sick. Gross. Some Air Max joints there. I only got one arm, y'all. This is holding it, so it's the best I can do. Some Weatherman joints down here. Hold on. Okay. It's my size. It's not even my size. Yeah, this is the perfect section for do-rag activities on a budget. I'm just saying. Do-rag activities on a budget. Serena joints. Check those out. Look what the wifey found. Some ducks out here. Oh yeah. There's some of these in here. Some of these in here. That's dope though. Just know about these OGs right here. Alright, Budget fam, so usually I don't do this, but y'all be on my necks about doing hauls at the end of video. So, I'm going to do a quick haul. We didn't buy much, because shit is expensive out here. It's crazy out here in the streets. But we did get a few things. So from the Nike store, I did cop me some new black Hoochie Daddy shorts. As we see here, gotta have the Hoochie Daddies on deck. And with the Nike SB on there, so I definitely copped those. And these were on discount. I believe it was 20% off the Nike store. So I got these in there. I also copped this Jordan sweater, which also had the discount on it. I recently wore it, so it's not in the best light, but here you go right there. Got the Air Jordan border right there. Dope color. It's super soft and it has Air Jordan on the back. So this one's really dope. And I actually really like this. They have this in an olive colorway too. But the olive colorway is kind of like in that doo-doo brown, like you said, colorway. No, doo-doo green. And that set colorway, and I didn't really like it like that. So I did cop this. I definitely like this, and this is really dope. And then, as you seen in the video, I did cop the green vest, which I had on today, which was Fuego. So I definitely copped that. And then, from Uptown Cheapskate, we definitely copped the polo. Little sweater thing right here. Damn, my arm's hurt. Little polo thing right here. As you see on the video, it was $168 retail for this actual piece, and then they were selling it for $14.99. They definitely had a sell in there, so I definitely copped this. This is really dope, and I definitely like the pulley at the bottom, which is actually a really cool touch. Something kind of cool, something kind of light, but this polo thing was crazy. Y'all remember back in the day, we used to find polo all the time. And then my favorite find of the day for me is this classic Yo Poppy shirt. Hey. Yeah, so I had to cop that. So definitely it's one of my favorite shirts and definitely add it to the repertoire. And then for the wifey, end up copying these bad boys right here. You know, sometimes the Nike Outlets have a little special thing, so they had these on deck over there. We went back today and it had a different color that was actually better than this, so we kind of upset about that, but it is what it is. So those are the hauls. That's what we copped today, guys. Like I said, we didn't cop anything crazy because we didn't want to spend so much. But there you go.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.